Hello and welcome to the Genesis Institute of Pharmacy and Radhanagri. I am Praveen Das and today we are going to learn about the Abbe's refractometer. Instrument in front of you is Abbe's refractometer, which is most convenient and widely used refractometer to study the refractive indexes of organic liquids. Let's know the part of instrument. This is hinged prism in which there are two prisms present, upper prism and lower prism. In between these two prisms, the sample is placed to be analyzed. This is water jacket and the temperature probe, and this is water inlet and this is water outlet. This system is used to regulate the temperature of the sample. The next part is mirror. This is used to collect the light emerging from the monochromatic source and to reflect it into the prisms, hinged prisms. And then next part is telescope. The telescope consists an eyepiece to observe the field of light emerging from the hinged prisms. Then next part over here is called as compensator knob, or it is also called as compensation prism adjustment. It is used to control and rotate the compensation prisms present in the telescope, which are collecting the divergent critical angle rays in the telescope, which are emerging from the sample. Then next part over here is main scale reading. This is refractive index scale, which is used to measure the refractive index of the sample to be analyzed. And then these are eyepiece. These are two eyepieces. One is used for observation of the field, and this next another eyepiece is used to record the refractive index on the main scale or the refractive index scale. This is about the parts of instrument. Then let's see the procedure. At first, in the procedure you will have to turn on the light source and adjust the mirror such a way that it will reflect the lights into the sample and the hinged prism. Then you will have to put the sample over here in the sample cabinet between the two upper and lower prisms, and then you will have to observe the sample through the telescope. Here you can observe the sample. You will have to observe the exact half portion of the eyepiece will have to be dark and half of the portion must have to be bright. At this observation, the main scale reading over the refractive index scale is recorded, and that's your refractive index of your sample. Thank you.
And that's all. Thank you for seeing the video. For more such updates, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.